I was supposed to be filming a morning routine video for you guys for my summer morning routine. It was just like not happening. So if you haven't seen the video talking about that from Thursday, go watch it. I'll link it for you guys. But I decided to do just like a full what I eat in a day from morning to night, showing you guys all my meals, taking you along, especially because now we're going back to the office. And honestly, it has been really hard to get back in the routine of meal prepping to like take stuff to go. So I want to show you guys that because to me it's really important, especially for lunch, to make sure I meal prep, because that is like the one meal that we're so likely to just grab something or bring like order into the office, and then you end up getting, even if it's healthy, like so much extra salt and unnecessary snacks and things that you just don't need. So I did a video for you guys a couple weeks ago where I was showing my super easy meal prepping. So I'm gonna show you just like a baby bit of how I'm prepping for the week. So before we jump into it, if you guys like these vlogs, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I have new videos every single week for you and a lot more what I eat in a day vlogs. And sweat that thumbs up, give it a little click. Also, if you guys watched my 5 foods I stopped eating that helped me de-bloat and lose excess weight, I talked about how I switched from a whey protein isolate to plant-based protein. And I by no means am like a plant-based eater or vegan or anything else. Obviously, like I love my eggs, I love all my proteins. But I have been trying to add more plant-based proteins and like meals into my day for Ryan and I. So like usually like I try to just make Monday like a plant-based day. So we still have like eggs, and sometimes I still make a dinner that has like fish or something in it, but I try to keep that a little bit more like plant focused. So the lunch I'm gonna prep for us for tomorrow is totally plant-based, super simple, and so yummy. So normally when I order the HelloFresh, because it obviously is really, really convenient and saves me so much time, I do it for dinners, but I've been trying to switch it and do it for these lunches because they're just harder, like I said. So I got 3 different ones. This one's Thai shrimp with candied peanuts, and then yogurt marinated chicken with garlic sauce, and it has like lemony couscous. It looks so good, look. But then for my plant-based one for tomorrow, this guy, it's Middle Eastern chickpea bowl. So it has like pistachio rice, garlicky white sauce, tomatoes, cilantro, onion, obviously chickpeas, shawarma spice, some sour cream. It just looks like so yummy. I love too on these, it tells you like exactly how long it's gonna take you to make it, so you can have that in mind as you prep. So I think while I make this, I'm also gonna maybe prep some like chia seed pudding or something for tomorrow, but like for breakfast, just have it easy. But everything's on the back, super simple instructions. You put it in the oven, so I'm just gonna preheat the oven to start. I love the HelloFresh stuff though too, because it's just portioned out. So you know that you have the right portion for yourself. For like, I get the meals for 2, so for Ryan and I, it's not like guessing. I don't eat too much, I don't eat too little. It just really saves a lot that way too, because you're not like wasting any food. Plus there's obviously like plant-based, and there's ones with chicken. So like depending on your lifestyle and how you like to eat, there's really something for everyone. So I love getting to partner with them to share this with you guys. I'm gonna get into prepping this and show you everything I'm doing. But if you guys do wanna try HelloFresh, you can get your first 12 meals for free across 4 boxes. Just use the code 12LoveSweatFitness. I'll put the link down below and you can check it out. But let's get into this one because it looks so freaking good. Why is peeling an onion so freaking hard sometimes? Like, I feel like I end up wasting it because I can't get the little thin layer off. If you guys have onion peeling tricks, comment, tell me what they are. I was trying to figure out why there was still so much in this bag, and it's because Ryan and I ordered the box for 4, which is actually so much better for meal prepping because then I have lunches for 2 days instead of just 1. Bless. It's time to cook the rice. The recipe calls to do it on the stovetop. You guys know I freaking love my Instant Pot. It just makes everything easier, so we're gonna do it in that instead. I'm also gonna swap the water for my bone broth just to add even more protein. I know this isn't technically plant-based, obviously, because it's chicken bone broth, but if you have veggie stock, that's good. I just want a little more protein. about to roast my chickpeas, but you have to rinse them, obviously, but you have to dry them with paper towels so that it takes some of that moisture out, otherwise they'll be really wet. And the point is you want them to get a little crunchy. So they're pretty well dried. I'm gonna dump them in there, give them a little more, and then add oil on top. I have a really good chickpea recipe in the Guiltless Nutrition Guide too for a snack that you guys will love. Made our overnight oats with chia. I only had enough milk to do 3 of them, so one of us is gonna be a loser on Tuesday without oats, but that's fine, I'll figure it out. And everything's cooked, so I'm gonna just pack it up. I have 4 containers here so I can spread it out evenly, and then my lunches are done for the next 2 days. So about a half a cup of chickpeas has 7 grams of protein. So you obviously want like closer to 20. So the rice has a little bit, all of that. So like double up. And then since it's 4 portions, and obviously I want Ryan to have larger portions than me, then I just kind of make his 2 a little bit bigger, put a little bit less in mine, and call it all even. Our lunch is packed and ready to take to the office, and some snacks and our overnight oats. I haven't even had my coffee yet because I'm still just trying to get used to this getting up and getting out the door and getting ready and everything in the morning. I'm gonna have some coffee at some point, probably just at the office. We have a really great coffee maker there, and we gotta go. Our coffee machine is like the best. You can literally make pretty much any type of coffee you want, like a flat white, a cappuccino, a latte, a mocha. I don't know if it does mocha, I guess you'd have to make it on your own, but all the buttons. You can do like a long pour. Oh, I'm gonna start it for your espresso. Oh shoot, for your espresso, or just regular. I don't even know what all these are. There's a lot of options. So then it has the milk steamer attached too. So normally at home, I'll put my cinnamon in my milk to like get it more like effervescent and bring out all the scent, but I don't want to mix it in with everyone else's. So I just put in the bottom of the cup, so when I pour everything in, it kind of releases that too. And then I'm using the almond barista. That's kind of like a treat milk, but for the office, I feel like it's absolutely the best. And I say like a treat milk because it has sugar in it, like added sugar, which normally I don't do, but sometimes it's just worth it. We're having our morning meeting in a few minutes, but I just took my first sip of this coffee and oh my gosh, it's so freaking good, you guys. My bun is too big. I can't get it in the frame. Whatever. I've been on my computer working on some stuff for summer shape up for the last like, I don't even know what time it is, too long, like 4 hours or something. So I haven't even had my snack yet, so we're gonna do that. I'm doing my chia pudding, and chia is really good to really help like pull the waste out of the body. It has great fiber in it. I also did some oats in here too, so I'm getting my carbs. Chia also has good protein, plus my almond milk is great protein as well. So getting all of that, this will really help flatten your belly if you're getting enough fiber. The key with fiber though is that if you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, what you don't want to do is just all of a sudden eat a bunch, because that'll just totally bloat you. So you have to add it in slowly into your nutrition so that your body starts adjusting and using it to help pull that waste out, get everything going, so that your belly will be nice and flat. have to keep coming and hiding in here because we're having some meetings in the other room about the stuff I've been telling you guys is massive and going to just like change everything. But obviously I can't have you out there because you can't hear about it yet. But this is the meal prep I did last night. I put a little, it's called bitchin' sauce. It's like an almond cilantro situation. It's really, really good. And yeah, it's really delicious. Snack time. I'm very prepared. We have a whole snack like tower that has nuts and like turkey sticks and popcorn and treats and bars. If we ever get hungry here, there's plenty of food. We do have water, but otherwise our entire fridge is pretty much full of champagne. We're getting ready to celebrate, you guys. Major celebration coming soon. Oh, also these are mixed nuts. So you want to probably know what I'm eating. Just like I'm snacking. They're everything but the bagel nuts from Trader Joe's. They're so freaking good. So I usually try to do about a small palm, which is like 14 to 20 nuts, tablespoon or two, normal size serving. If you watch my 5 foods I gave up to lose weight and lose my belly pooch that I just posted like a week or two ago for you guys, I talked about my protein. So I'm just having some chocolate protein. It's a plant protein. I do brown rice and pea organic blend because it is the easiest to digest. It is so good for bloating, like to avoid bloating and keep your body strong, to refuel you after your workouts. It is just the only one I do. Like I've been doing plant for almost 2 years now, and I just feel so much better. But I drink it throughout the day in smoothies and everything, but I also always make sure I get it in right after my workout within 30 minutes. So it's 20 grams of protein, which is what I just always want all the time, but especially after a workout, to make sure I get those healthy carbs and protein so my body can repair. Clearly this vlog is getting way too long because my battery died on me. Anyway, protein within 30 minutes, key. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm eating for dinner so we can wrap this up. And I wanna make sure you can see like every little part of my dinner and why I eat it. I feel like I probably have gotten this in another vlog or like day in the life or something at some point because it's kind of one of the only meals I get takeout. But it's a place called Urban Plates, and I got salmon because I'm like, you know, just not like all plant-based today, but just trying to keep it like pescatarian, I guess, if you will, whatever. Anyway, so this is my bowl. It has quinoa, walnuts, a giant half of avocado, beets, some like pickled onion, cabbage, and like a lemon sauce on it. And then the reason I get the quinoa too is it's really, really great fiber and protein. So like you don't need a bunch of other protein, but I still want more protein. And then obviously healthy fats, curb cravings, and avocado also, and the fiber in quinoa is really good for debloating. And then I just got a side of salmon. It comes with a sauce, but we are not gonna eat that. So I'm just gonna put my salmon right on there. It's like just always just a little too much, and I have the constant struggle of, do I eat it all or do I save it? But 9.5 times out of 10, I just eat it all because I had a hard workout, so I need that fuel. And that is everything I ate today. So my what I eat in a day for today. Hopefully you guys like seeing all of my different meals. If you're not already following on TikTok, go and follow. Put the link down below because I do a lot of these little like quick follow alongs over there. And you guys, in case you haven't gotten the memo yet, Big-ish is coming. Like next level. Holy, I can't even believe what is going on right now is going on. If you're not subscribed, if you don't have notifications on, if you're not following on Instagram, get it together. You need to go. I'm gonna put a link down below too. If you're trying to figure out what's going on, you wanna be the first to know, sign up for email with me in my newsletter because you will be the absolute first to know right there. Okay, I love you guys. Have an amazing week. I can't wait for